Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to troubleshoot one of those annoying Windows Update errors, the 0x8024a204 error. If you have seen this pop up during an update and had no idea what to do, don't worry, I have got you. Alright, let's get straight to it. This error usually happens when Windows is trying to install an update, but something goes wrong in the update process. It could be a corrupted file, a glitch in the update service, or even a problem with your internet connection. So in this guide, we will go through all the working solutions step by step. Some of them are super quick and others will go a bit deeper, but all of them are safe, and by the end you should have that update working just fine. Let's start with the most basic fix, restarting your PC and checking your internet connection. I know it sounds too simple, but honestly, sometimes that's all it takes. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, preferably wired if possible, and then try checking for updates again. To do that, just go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. If it works, awesome, you're done. If not, stick with me, we have got more to try. Next up, let's run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It's built into Windows and it can automatically detect and fix common update issues. Just press Windows I to open Settings, then go to System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Now find Windows Update, click Run, and wait while it does its thing. It might take a couple of minutes. If it finds any problems, it will try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC and check again for updates. Still getting the same error? No worries, let's keep going. Sometimes the update cache gets corrupted, and that's a super common reason for this error. So now we're going to reset the Windows Update components manually. Don't worry, I will walk you through it first. Search for Command Prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Now we're going to type a few commands to stop the update services. Type netstop wuauserv, then hit Enter. Then type netstop bits and hit Enter again. We're stopping the Windows Update and background intelligent transfer services. Now we will restart the surfaces we stopped earlier. So type netstart wuauserv, then hit Enter. And finally, netstart bits, press Enter again. All right, now go back to Settings, open Windows Update, and hit Check for Updates again. This time it should hopefully go through without the error. If it still doesn't work, no problem, we're getting closer. Let's now check if there are any corrupted system files causing the issue. We will use a tool called System File Checker, or SFC. Go back to Command Prompt as Administrator and type this command sfc/scannow. This scan will take a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 depending on your system. It will scan all protected system files and replace any corrupted ones. Once it finishes, it will tell you if it found and fix it anything. After that, restart your PC again and try checking for updates. Still not fix it. All right, we have got one more powerful tool left. Now we're going to use the DISM tool, Development Imaging and Surfacing Management. It can repair the actual Windows image and fix deeper corruption. In Command Prompt as Administrator, type this command dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This will take a while, usually between 10 and 20 minutes, depending on your system. Let it finish. Don't close the window. Once it's done, restart again and check for updates one more time. If the error is finally gone, awesome, but if it's still there after everything, you might want to consider pausing updates for a few days and trying again later. Sometimes the issue is actually on Microsoft's site. They pull back updates and fix them later. To boost updates, go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Pause for 1 week. Then after a few days, try enabling updates again and see if it works. All right, let's do a quick recap. Restart your PC and check your connection. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, manually reset the update components. Run SFC to fix corrupted files. Use DISM to repair the system image, and if all else fails, pause updates and try again later. This guide should help you fix the 0x8024a204 error in most cases. If it did, drop a comment and let me know which step worked for you. And if you're still stuck, leave the exact message or error you're seeing. I will try to help out in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and consider subscribing for more tech tips and Windows fix guides. I will see you in the next one. Take care and good luck with those updates.